We place a big focus on the Australian standards, what's needed to meet those standards, and those standards are changing all the time. So we've got a crew here that basically just look at the standards, and as they change, we update the boards, we go forward from there. So from switching three-phase outlets, main switches on power boards, looking at thermal management, which is a new standard that's come out recently, and we integrate that into the boards as they go out. Most products similar to ours in Australia come from overseas, whether that be from China or other countries. A lot of alternative equipment on the market are missing parts of the standards. Doesn't have areas where they can switch off the power quickly. A lot of people just use a circuit breaker behind a window. Those windows are locked as part of the site processes. So if someone's on the ground getting electrocuted, there's no way to turn the power off without unscrewing the outlet and pulling the plug. With our products, they're all marked with a main isolator switch. So it's a big red and yellow switch on the front of the power board, which is main isolator, cuts power to the entire board. That is actually an Australian standard, but a lot of products don't actually have that fitted. And then the quality of the products that go into them as well. So some products aren't certified that get used on there. They should be by law, but unfortunately it's something the standards authorities aren't always monitoring. And it's hard for them to be across the entire market. The biggest danger in not meeting the standards these days are your risk to the company, and that's the company using the power boards and the companies that were in the supply chain for supplying something that doesn't meet Australian standards. So if it's a non-compliant board, there's an incident on site, first thing the insurance company is going to go is, that's non-compliant, we're not covering your insurance.